Hello everyone. In last video we have completed Unit 1 Myths and Legends. इसमें 3 चैप्टर्स थे, Where the Sun, The Thousand Petal Lotus and Tartary. Tartary एक पोइम है, पोएट का इमेजिनेशन है, एक मिथ लैंड के बारे में, लैंड ऑफ ड्रीम्स एंड थाउजेंड पीटल लोटस एक स्टोरी है किंग विक्रम के बारे में, एक लेजेंड है, एंड वेयर द सन एक मिथ एंड लीजेंड है सोलर इक्लिप्स के बारे में। तो इसके क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं हम आज। Legends are the earliest story told by humans, stories about heroic deeds of people, stories based on actual events, short story with animals as characters. So legends क्या होते हैं? Stories about heroic deeds of people. B. Science fiction could be regarded as a type of modern myth because it consists of fictional stories and is not true. Try to imagine other worlds and is not rational. Try to answer questions for which we do not have scientific answers. Consist of stories told to everyone all over the world. So answer is C. Try to answer questions for which we do not have scientific answers. So science fiction could be regarded as a type of modern myth because they try to answer questions for which we don't have scientific answers. The sight of a solar eclipse could have frightened early humans because they took the sun's movement for granted, used the sun's movement to regulate their lives, were worried that something had eaten the sun, could not understand or explain the sudden disappearances of sun. So answer is C. Were worried that something had eaten the sun. They don't understand the reason behind solar eclipse, so they were worried that something had eaten the sun. Most solar eclipse myths talk about something eating up the sun because the moon hides the sun during an eclipse. It looks as if the sun is being eaten up during an eclipse. People thought there were animals and demons in the sky. People did not believe in scientific explanations. So answer is B. It looks as if the sun is being eaten up during an eclipse. So most solar eclipse myths talk about something eating up the sun because it looks as if the sun is being eaten up during an eclipse. Number 5, the eclipse myth of the Beta Maliba people is different because it is about making friends and peace and hence something positive. Does not talk about something eating the sun, is not from Europe, can occur in reality. So answer is the eclipse myth of Beta Maliba people is different because it is about making friend and peace and hence something positive. We have seen this in last part of chapter. The Beta Maliba people from Benin and Togo in West Africa have different and interesting belief about eclipse. उनके जो beliefs थे वो काफ़ी अलग थे. Their myth tell the story of a fight between the sun and the moon during an eclipse. तो उनका जो myth है वो एक स्टोरी के बारे में है कि जो सन है और मून है उनकी फाइट के बारे में. द पीपल एनकरेज द सन एंड द मून टू स्टॉप फाइटिंग. वहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो एनकरेज करते हैं सन और मून को फाइट को स्टॉप करने के लिए. तो दिस डे दे सी इक्लिप्स एज ए टाइम ऑफ कमिंग टुगेदर एंड रिसॉल्विंग ऑल फ्यूड. सो दे सी इक्लिप्स एज ए टाइम ऑफ कमिंग टुगेदर एंड रिसॉल्विंग ऑल फ्यूड. सो देयर perception about solar eclipse is totally different. So answer is about making friends and peace and hence something positive. So B part and C part, these are you will discuss with your friends. And D part. So we will do the E. Replace the underlined words with appropriate words from the box. Your behavior caused a disturbance in the class. So what word we can replace with disturbance? Your behavior caused a disturbance in the class. So disruption means disturbance. So we can replace the word disruption from disturbance. Your behavior caused a disruption in the class. Number 2, we do not know the beginnings of this feud, but it has to stop now. So what word we can replace with beginnings? So origins means beginning. So we can replace origins from beginnings. We do not know the origins of this feud, but it has to stop now. Number 3, we were shocked by the result of the match because no one accepted us to win. So what is the similar word with shocked? It is stunned. We can replace stunned with shocked. We were shocked by the result. We were stunned by the result of the match because no one accepted us to win. Stunned and shocked are similar words. Number 4, the teacher scolded us for creating such a noise in class when the surprise test was announced. So we have all read these words in this chapter. So we can replace word commotion with noise. They have same meanings. The teacher scolded us for creating such a commotion in class when the surprise test was announced. Let us ask Mona to help us with the project as she is reliable. So what word we can replace from reliable? So that is dependable. We can replace dependable from reliable. They have same meanings. Let us ask Mona to help us with the project as she is dependable. Number 6, you are overstating the problem. It is not as difficult as you think. So overstating and exaggerating word are similar. So we can replace overstating with exaggerating. The complicated nature of the word is difficult to understand. So we can replace complicated with complex. Complicated and complex are similar meanings. The complex nature of the word is difficult to understand. These lines are same meaning. Number 8, we cannot complete this project in time. Your expectations are not reasonable. So reasonable and rational are same meanings. So we can replace it. We cannot complete this project in time. Your expectations are not rational. So rest we will do in next video.